A woman is removed from a public library after staff report that she refused to follow instructions and began escalating inside the building. When officers arrive, they attempt to issue a lawful trespass warning, which is legally valid if a property owner or authorized employee requests removal from private/public access property. The situation escalates when the woman refuses to leave, repeatedly interrupts officers, and physically resists being detained. At that point, officers are legally allowed to arrest her for trespassing and obstruction. Police are dispatched to a library after staff report a disruptive visitor who is not complying with rules and is interfering with normal operations. The library staff decides to formally trespass the individual, which gives officers legal authority to remove her from the premises.
Cindy, my name's Caitlin. We're going to move forward with trespassing you from our library for not following staff directive and banging the mouse. So you need to know you cannot revisit the library to here, or you will be subject to arrest. That's all locations.
He didn't give me no trespass warning. He just told me to stop. But I have music on, so I can't hear anything outside of here.
Okay, this is the trespass warning, and you can appeal that by mail, email, or through the web. So we'll give you this paperwork.
Okay.
And we're going to have to ask you to leave.
Okay, that's fine.
And then that's your legal trespass paperwork from the city of Orlando.
All right. What is his name?
I'm sorry?
What's his name?
My name?
No, the person that... What's his name? The
For
person
what?
that complained?
No one complained. You're just not following staff directive by
There's a
the
name,
mouse.
though. There's a name, though.
My name's on it. It's Officer Jalen Chris.
No, the person that made the complaint.
Okay, ma'am. You're leaving right now, or you're going to end up going to jail, okay? So
I
just
can't go
gotta-
to jail because I didn't do anything. I didn't commit any crime.
Well, as right now, you're being told to leave, and you're refusing to leave. So if you continue to refuse to leave,
I'm not
I'm going to
refusing
take you to
to
jail.
I'm not refusing to leave.
Okay.
How would I be taken to jail? There's no evidence.
Okay. Just gather your things, and we'll walk out, so that way it doesn't even go that route, okay?
But you have to explain how I would be taken to jail.
Ma'am, if you don't get up and start leaving right now, I'm going to put you in handcuffs and take you to jail. And I don't want to do that, okay?
You're gonna put me in handcuffs?
Yes, ma'am. I
Do
need
you
you
want
to
to go
gather.
sue?
I need you to gather your things
Do
up
you
and
want
let's
to go
go.
sue?
I'm going to give you one more opportunity. Gather your things up and let's go, okay?
You're not gonna be telling me that I'm gonna be put to
Okay.
jail.
Well, just gather your stuff, and
No,
that
you're
won't
actually
even
committing something.
that won't even happen, okay?
Can you get the employee's name, please?
No, ma'am. You need to leave.
You need to give me the employee's name.
You can go through the appeals process and put my name. I'm the one issuing the trespass. My name is Caitlin Hill, and it's on that.
But there was the situation that I have to explain
That's
if
not
I take it
relevant to
further.
you being trespassed right now.
That I
You
take
have to
further.
leave
Then
the
why are you
building.
telling me what to
Ma'am.
do and I'm simply
You
asking for
need
a
to
name and I
leave,
can't get a name?
or you're going to be arrested.
I'm not gonna get arrested.
You need to leave
I'm
now.
not gonna get arrested.
As long as you leave, then yes, you will not get arrested.
How would I get arrested though? Explain how we get arrested.
Okay.
You have to have probable cause before you get arrested.
This is one more chance. You stand up and leave, or I arrest you right now.
I'm not scared of your arrest.
I'm not trying to make you scared.
No, you're very unprofessional. All of
Okay.
you. All of
You're gonna get up, or we're gonna go to jail.
You're very unprofessional.
There we go.
I'll meet you downstairs. I'll walk this.
Okay.
It's fine because I'm gonna sue you guys. I'm gonna sue you guys.
Just grab your stuff.
At this stage, this is a civil trespass situation turning into a lawful enforcement action. Once the library representative issues a trespass notice, officers are legally required to enforce it. If the person refuses to leave after being warned, it becomes criminal trespass.
You don't need to worry about any of that. Grab your stuff and let's start walking towards the exit.
You're not gonna tell me what to do. You're telling me to leave, so I take my time and leave. And you're gonna have to get ready for a lawsuit. What's your name?
Ma'am, start making your way towards the door
What's
with
your
your
name? You
things.
don't even.
Legally, officers do not need to debate the merits of the trespass request. Once lawful warning is given, continued refusal to leave becomes probable cause for arrest.
Okay.
You didn't even
You're
use
now
your-
under
you
arrest.
didn't- You didn't even.
Stop.
I'm just asking for a name.
Now under arrest.
I'm
Ma'am,
just asking for a
stop.
name.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not resisting. I'm about to leave. How can I be arrested if I'm
Oscar
about to leave?
700. Can I get a 45, please?
I'm about to
Put
leave.
your hands behind your back. I don't want to hurt you. Stop.
I'm about to leave though.
Stop.
I was just looking at the name. I was just looking at the name, sir. I was just looking at the name. I was just looking at the name.
Stop.
I was just looking
Stop.
at the name.
Stop.
I promise you, I was just looking at the name.
We're on the 4th floor. I'm gonna have it
I
taken.
was not resisting. I was just looking at the name and asking for the first name.
Stop moving. Stop. I don't want to hurt you, ma'am. Stop.
Sir, just let me explain. I was just looking at the name. You saw me get up. You saw me get up. I was about to leave. I promise you.
If I move her now, I'm gonna hurt her, so I'm just gonna wait.
I was just asking for the name.
That's all right.
Please.
I got you.
Sir, I was just asking
I have
for the
one
name.
resisting. Just send me 45. Don't initiate a
Not
44.
resisting. Oh my God.
I'm holding her now. I just need one more to help me cuff.
I was just asking you for the name, sir. I'm not even resisting.
You gonna let me put your hand in this cuff, or you gonna wait for 4 more people to come and do it?
I'm just, can you please listen to what I'm saying, because the whole time you guys did not listen. I
They're
had
here, so I'm
music
just gonna wait for
on.
them.
I had music on.
Okay, well now
I
you're under
promise
arrest.
you, I'm not going to come to this library. I don't really care about this library like that.
Okay.
I
Well, you
was
should have
not
left when I
resisting.
said
I just
to.
asked you for the name because this is a situation that I have to appeal. So I didn't see your first name. That's it. I was just about to leave. I have no problem leaving. That's not even worth me going through all that.
When you guys come up to the 4th floor, go to your right, past the computers. Back like you're going to the back of the library.
You're making all this for a big deal for no reason. Sorry, I'm not objecting. You're making this a big deal for no reason. I was asking for the name. The lady just mentioned appeal, and that's all I was doing. Just for asking for a name?
We gave you the name now.
No, you didn't. I just asked for the first name. I honestly, J. Cruz. How am I supposed to appeal that and take a further matter without no name? And I'm asking her for a name. Nobody wants to give me their name. How is that even giving me a trespass when I'm about to leave?
One on the left arm.
I'm about to literally leave.
Do your soul, please. Okay? Thank you so much.
Stop. Do not twist around.
I'm not. I'm just simply asking for the name.
You're not resisting.
Is it
You'll
okay?
get all the information you need. All right? Just let us get you secured in handcuffs and we'll figure things out, okay?
Okay.
At this point, the arrest is legally supported by trespassing plus resisting without violence. Even if the intent was just to ask questions, refusal to comply after lawful orders is what creates the criminal charge.
Yeah, again, I'm sorry, guys.
I'm not even doing anything
We
wrong.
really tried to give her every chance to walk out, but she didn't want to.
No, he didn't. I was just about to get out. I was just about to leave. You can ask anybody else.
Come on, now we're walking out.
It'll all be documented on body cam, remember?
Troy, can you grab her stuff and meet us downstairs?
Ridiculous. How am I supposed to get arrested for? Oh, this is ridiculous.
Thank you.
I'm not about to go to jail. You guys are gonna let me go because
You're under
I
arrest,
actually-
man. You're going to jail
No,
right
I'm
now.
not. Then view the body cam. View the body cam. View the body cam.
All right, give us a minute.
done is done.
Please.
All right, give us a minute.
What's done is done, okay?
No, please. I was about to get up and I just asked for a name and he put handcuffs on me. That makes no sense.
All right, we'll take a look at the cameras.
Please do. I was just
Okay.
about to leave.
All
What
right,
the
give us a
hell?
second, okay? Just bear with
I
us.
have work to go to. I have things to do.
All right, just bear with us, okay?
Just get up and leave next time.
I promise you, I'm not a person that care about this life like that. There's other libraries I go to. I don't need this issue right now.
Okay. Next time, just follow instructions. Okay, that's all you gotta do is instructions, and nothing bad can happen.
I appreciate you for saying that.
That's all you gotta do. You're welcome.
Come on, let's go.
I have to go to work today. I cannot miss work.
I wish you would have just walked out with me the first time I asked.
I'm asking you for a name. And that's all I
was
did.
on- it
I
was on
didn't
the
say
paper.
I'm not leaving. Usually there's a refusal. I would be like, okay, make me leave then or something like that. I did not do all that.
Okay.
I did not do that. It doesn't make any sense. I didn't even refuse anything. I just asked for a name. I thought you were gonna let me go.
No, you're going to jail, man.
I'm not going to jail. I only asked for a name. I didn't do any refusing.
Listen, we're beyond that.
Resisting is
Listen,
refusing.
stop. Yes. At this point, you're going to jail. Okay, don't make,
No, I
listen,
can't
listen.
possibly go to jail.
Sarge, you guys don't have a female, right?
You're
No
not
female.
doing anything extra.
I have
okay?
to contact my lawyer. I have to do all that. I did not
You
do
would
anything
be able to
wrong.
do that at the jail, but at
Just
this
if
point,
No, I
I don't mind
can't.
searching,
I
just,
can't.
you know.
I can't, sir. I can't.
well, that's what's
I
happening.
can't. I didn't even do anything wrong. Are you kidding me? I just asked for a name.
Don't make anything worse because then
didn't
you're going to be in there longer. If
Is this somebody that I didn't do anything wrong?
Here's your report electronics. That's all I found that looked like to have any value. Is there something else?
You have to explain the situation. I can't leave out to explain.
You're under arrest and you're going to jail.
There has to be a reason, though. There has to be a reason. This doesn't make no sense.
Trespassing.
That's it. But I didn't do anything. I just literally told the guy I'm about to get up. I just forgot the name.
The case ends with her arrest and later conviction. The court confirms the charges, showing that once a lawful trespass warning is ignored, enforcement becomes legally straightforward.